Hi friends, today we have two nice equations as a plus b is equal to 68, equation number first, and square root of ab is equal to 16, equation number second, right? So let's start. First we will take equation second as square root of ab is equal to 16, right? On squaring both the sides, so AB will be equal to 16 square or AB is equal to 256, right? Now A minus B whole square can be written as A plus B whole square minus 4AB, right? Because a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab and this minus 4ab, right? So a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? Now a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square. A plus b is 68, right? So 68 square minus 4 ab. AB is 256, right? So a minus b whole square is equal to 68 square is 4624 minus this into this 1024, right? So a minus b whole square is equal to this minus this 63600, right? So a minus b is equal to plus minus 60, right? If we take a minus b is equal to plus sign 60, right? If we say this is equation number third, right? And a plus b is equal to 68, equation first, right? So equation first plus equation third, plus minus cancel out. So 2a is equal to 128, right? So a will be equal to 64, right? A plus b is equal to 68 as equation first. So a is 64 plus b is equal to 68. So b will be equal to 4, right? So a is equal to 64 and b is equal to 4, right? If we check, a plus b is equal to 68, equation first. So a is 64 plus 4, b is equal to 68. So 68 is equal to 68. Okay friends, thank you.